Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I just have a little project to share with you. I first saw these on, believe it was poodles.com. Her name is Sam, and she has a tutorial on how to make these little mini post-it notes. And so I will link in the description box to her channel for that, and you can watch and see how to make them. So I did mine slightly differently. She used little ribbons to tie hers, and I did not do that. But so basically, you make them out of 2x5 inch scrapbook paper. You can use a pattern or a print to do them, or you can do them just in a solid papers, whatever you choose. So basically, here I'll show you some that I've done here. So they're just a little, little mini post-it note, and they just open like this. And I punched the corners on mine just to make them a little fancier, and then they just slide back under, like so, to close. I did some different ones. Here's one with a coffee cup on the front of it. That's cute. It's got the blue, and then the print is on the inside for that one. So yeah, they're really cute. Here's one I did with the pineapple print, and I actually kind of fussy cut out these little pineapples and put them on dimensionals to raise it up and just make it look a little cute. And just opens like that again, and really simple. So I used my flower punch to decorate the front of them, and added some pearls. Some I added little buttons, you know, just whatever you have in your stash you could use. And yeah, they're really simple to make. They make cute little gifts. And so basically I'll just do one really quickly here just to show you the measurements. So on the long side of your piece, can you see that there? Yeah. So we're gonna score at 1.5, 2, 3.5, and 4. So that's really all the scoring that there is, and you can see it better on this side here. And then you'll just crease your lines with your bone folder there. This just makes it nice and crisp. We'll do that on all of them. And then what I did, I took my little corner punch, which is this one here. It has 3 different corner designs on it, and use that to do my corners. I'll show you here what they look like. So that's the next step you would do. And then after that, it's basically just embellishing. So you just, you know, you could use the flower punch like I did, or you could use scallop circle punch. Just whatever little things are in your stash that you might like to add. So anyways, I just wanted to share that with you today, and hope you get inspired and make a few of these for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.